Guys, I have some really good news, especially if you've been dealing with ping spikes or insane packet loss mid-game. Because I finally tested something and honestly, the difference is ridiculous. I'm just going to show you. First, check out these clips I recorded while using ExitLag. Then, I'll share something interesting with you. Okay. So this is before, without ExitLag. Look, without ExitLag, I don't know why, but lately my ping has been hitting 500 and above. I've complained to my ISP so many times, but they still haven't fixed it. So I thought, let's just give this a try. And luckily, the ExitLag team reached out to me and told me to test it out. Now look what happens when I connect ExitLag. Instantly, the ping drops down to my normal ping, which is 61 milliseconds on Riyadh, and everything gets back to normal. See? And that's ExitLag doing its thing. Now, here's the part that makes this even better. Right now, they're running their biggest deal of the year, Level Up 2026. You get 15 months for the price of 6. Use my code Xplody FPS, XPLODYFPS for 50% off. Link is in the description. Now, every time I use ExitLag, my ping stays at 61 milliseconds, which is actually my normal ping even on a good internet day. So what ExitLag is doing for me is replacing the broken hops in my route, because otherwise my routing itself is fine. But here's one more thing I want to include, because this is important. Even on my normal internet, I get delay. Not ping spikes, not visible packet loss, but input delay. And it's really noticeable in-game. So before I explain that, I want to show you this map first. Now this is not a real map at all. It's just for reference, okay? So here, assume this point is where I'm located. Now I'm drawing two connections. One goes directly from my country to Riyadh, and the second one goes from my country to Dubai first, and then exits from there to Riyadh. Now tell me, which connection do you think is better for gaming? Obviously, direct from my country straight to Riyadh. Fewer nodes, fewer interchanges. And if that's what you picked, you're right. But. In my case, like I said, my ping is stable, no visible packet loss, yet I still get delay. Did you catch what's happening here? Because in my case, something is wrong. Maybe a connection issue, or my location is being pushed onto the wrong routes from my router. Routes that have too many junctions or damaged hops, which is causing hidden packet loss and input delay. So when I connect through Dubai instead, that delay drops by almost 99.5%. Which means just looking at your ping number and saying, it didn't work, that's not always the full picture. And yeah, sometimes even ExitLag can't fix things if the routing is just that bad. But that's exactly why there's a free trial. Give it a shot, and if it works for you, grab the offer before it disappears. Now let me actually prove what I'm saying. These clips you saw earlier, those were through the Dubai server on ExitLag. But now I'm going to switch directly to the Riyadh server so you can see the result. The packet loss and delay that come back when I go direct. Okay, it's now set to Riyadh, and this gameplay is routed from my country straight to Riyadh. One more thing. In some cases, Dubai might actually be the problem for you, and your direct local route might be more reliable. If that's you, there's an option called Use Local Routes First. You can find it in the game route settings right here. And that's it. Hopefully this gave you a clear picture. I showed you a live demonstration, explained the concept, and walked you through how to switch routes and use local routes if needed. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments and I'll cover the advanced ExitLag guide in the next tutorial. Till then, don't forget the offer, go grab it today, and let me know how it goes. Bye!